How to change language in Gemini AI. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will be guiding you through on how you can change your language in Gemini AI. So if you're also wondering how you can change your language in Gemini AI, in this video we are going to show you exactly how you can do it. So let's just go ahead and look out on how we can do that. So first of all, go ahead and download the Gemini AI application on your device. If you don't have it, you can just head over to your available app store and just download it by searching Gemini AI on the search bar. And after the download is complete, you just need to set it up on your device by using your Google account in order to log in. So once you're logged in, you can go ahead and tap on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. And once you have tapped on your profile, you will be seeing the settings. So you're just going to look up for the settings option here. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on the settings, you can look for this languages option, which you can choose for the Gemini to speak. And here are, different languages available, and you can only use a language that works with Gemini. So there are different options available here, different languages available here. If any of the languages work that is provided by Gemini, you can go ahead and choose it and tap on switch, confirm the switch, and it will obviously switch up the language just like that. So that is how you switch up a language, which is a super easy and straightforward process you can follow up in order to switch language. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.